Hey folks, John here from BotaTrac. I want to welcome you back to my channel. It is a beautiful fall day here in the southern tier. It just got done raining for like 3 days straight. We have a small gap in the weather, probably 3 or 4 days before it starts raining again. So what I want to do is I want to get that plow mounted to the L2501 and get them out to the property we have in northern Pennsylvania. I'm going to bush hog it and get rid of all the overgrown grass that's there, and then we're going to use this plow to turn all that soil over so that in the spring I can rotivate it and plant soybeans. So why don't you come along with me? I'll show you how we hook this up, how we load the 2501 onto the trailer without a ramp, and then we'll get out to PA and we'll get the brush hog on and we'll start doing some brush hogging. So let's go. All right, folks, we're up here by the trailer, and I told you that I'd show you how I crawl the L2501 onto the trailer without any ramps. First thing I do is I make sure that I'm on solid ground, flat ground, okay? I have the emergency brake on. I have a Ford F250, which has 4-wheel emergency brakes. The front tires are chocked, and the stand pole is down on the front of the trailer, touching the ground, so that it doesn't rock too much. On the tractor itself, I'm in low gear, 4-wheel drive. If I have any implements on the back, they're in the full up position. So let's see if I can do this the first time without looking silly. I normally do, but of course, because I'm recording, I'm sure something will go wrong. Let's hope not. Got it the first time. How about that? So you definitely have to take your time and be careful. It's not something you want to be in a real big hurry for, but as you can see, with the front end loader, I can load it right on the trailer without any ramps. So let's get on to the next part of this video. Hey folks, so here we are in beautiful PA, and again, it's just a gorgeous day out here. And if you want to take a look at that field that I've got, it is right there. That is 5 acres of high grass I got to get knocked down and plow it up. So let's get going with a little bit of work here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hop up on the tractor. I'm going to get it started. I'm going to walk it off the trailer so you can see how I walk it off the trailer. Then we're going to get that plow off, put the bush hog on, and get going. so there you go, folks. Not much to it. I'm gonna move the truck and move the trailer. I'm gonna get that plow off, get that brush hog on. We're gonna get to work, so be right back. Okay, folks, so we're down here on the field now, and as you can see, I got the brush hog on. I'm gonna start get going on this field, and we're gonna speed the video up so we can kind of do a time lapse on this, and I'll come back after I get all that done. So we'll be right back with you. Folks, as you can see behind me, that field is knocked down now. So what we're going to do is we're going to run the tractor back up to the barn. We're going to dump the brush hog. We're going to put on the single bottom plow, get it adjusted up, and we're going to start plowing this field. So come on, let's get it done. Hey folks, so a little bit of a bummer going on. I brought the single bottom plow over. It's built and designed for the Kubota BX, and although it fits on the L2501, it will not work with the L2501 just because of its design. So let me bring you over and show you what I got. All right, folks, so as you can see, this is the Everything Attachments Land Shark, Everything Attachments / Land Shark single bottom plow for the Kubota BX. It works really good on the Kubota BX. It does not work on the L2501 because of the stance. The L2501 is much higher. This right here really needs to be on top of the frame instead of underneath the frame. And then you can see here that they actually drop this down even lower to accommodate the BX25 or the BX series tractor. It just won't work on the L2501. I can't get the plow deep enough into the ground. I'm only getting about 2 inches into the ground, and all I'm doing is scraping the sod off. I'm not really getting underneath and tilling that dirt over. So I'm gonna have to buy another plow. It's gonna be a 2-bottom or a 3-bottom plow, something that's rated for the horsepower on this, but this is it. So that's where we're at. All right, folks, so that wraps this video up for today. I apologize. I really wanted to get the brush hogging done and do a plow video, but you know, these things happen. Sometimes you start out with the best ideas and then, you know, reality strikes. But I really want to thank you guys for watching. I appreciate all your support. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll be aware of all my new videos when I release them. I want to thank you again for everything you guys do. Good luck and Godspeed. BotaTrac out. But of course, because I'm recording, I'm sure something will go wrong. Without how I load the tractor on the trailer, cut that. Field's just waiting to get started, so hey folks, and we should be okay pretty soon. And I have a Ford F2.